logs out of there. Well, they're gonna drag the logs out of there. We're just gonna help, but here they come after lunch, so let's go over there and check it out.
Definitely. I'm kind of excited to see what's going to happen.
So they're gonna use the GMC here, because earlier in the video he cut down the tree. Well, he kind of cut a big piece of it off with the chainsaw, a new chainsaw blade he got. And now he's going to take the truck here, the SUV, and drag out these logs to the campsite over here so that he can actually work on them and they won't be all confined over here in this little space. There we go. See? Look how easy. Just gonna drag it out. And once he gets the log out here, now he can cut it up and make some more of these little places to sit around the campfires here. So, we'll keep doing this one at a time. Now, as you go up the hill here, this tree you saw yesterday goes all the way back in the forest there. So as he does it, the first one was easy. As you go up into the woods there, it's going to get harder and harder. All right, here we go again. Did you lose your flip-flop? Well, he's backed in here a little further on this one, but this is number 3, getting a little deeper in the woods, guys. Here we are. All right, going in for the 4th one. Things are gonna get interesting now, trying to get in there deep enough. Tree! There we go. Well, he's gonna try for this last part of the tree here, which I'll show you in a second, but it's gonna require him to get all the way up in here. That's as far as you're going. Yep. See, guys, it's kind of pinned up in here and it's still pretty long, but he's gonna try to drag it out of here. So I'm gonna stick the chain on. See how far we can get it out of here. I got out of the way, guys. Here it comes. Nope, chain broke or slipped or something, so we'll retry this. All right, gonna pull back in there for another try. At least it didn't come off the tree. All right, guys, we got another problem here. One of the hooks off of the chain that we were connecting two chains together, somehow when we dipped down through, knocked it off. So gonna have to do a little bit of work in here to get the chains connected securely so that we can drag it out of here, because you got to have some momentum to get it out, but you can't stop or it'll be even worse. Here we go. It's coming. I tried to stay back enough in case, but he's getting a little hung up in there in the trees, which we kind of thought that would happen. Oh, chain broke again.
Yep, I had it moving and then it stopped.
Yep. Well, guys, it looks like it's getting buried in it. You were on that side, yeah.
Yeah, it caught right here and stopped.
And it just stopped. So now we're trying to decide if we want to just leave this in the woods, no big deal, or if we want to take the effort to try to reclaim the wood. It's kind of a hard choice, you know? You want to do the right thing, but at the same time, you don't want to mess stuff up in the process. So, catch 22, guys. What would you do? Leave in the comments below. Alright, we're going to try this one more time. Just one more time, because why not? Stop. Well, since the hook was kind of messed up, we're going to try to modify the chain, wrap it a few times, and do a good tie. If this doesn't work, we've got one of those D-ring things somewhere we could use, but kind of just trying to improvise, get this last piece out so we don't have to go back up to the office and go looking for stuff. Well, the last couple times I stood out there, this time we'll stand in here and see if we can't see. Ooh, he's just spinning tires now. Let's see. Don't jerk it too much though.
Try to pop it a little bit maybe.
All right. Ooh. Oh, you just knocked over a part of a tree, so that might have been what was restricting it.
I'm just going to do a couple pops and then I'm going to take off with it.
All right. Kind of moved it. Slow and steady. You're moving it. Slow and steady wins the race sometimes. Up. That's one more time. Chain broke. Well, we decided to cut the tree here at the pivot point and try to drag it out. Cut this piece loose around this tree, should be able to drag that part around, and then we can get this other little piece. Well, we can probably get the whole thing out of here now. All right, we're gonna try to back in there a little bit more on the other side now to try to get to the chain to get around the tree. There we go. Ooh. Yeah. Alright, that's good. Well, guys, I don't know if you hear that hissing noise, but got a flat tire now on one of these. So we've escalated the issues, but hey, sometimes you just do what you got to do and work through it. It's not like he doesn't have all-terrain tires here. Nice Firestone Destination ATs, so I'm sure they're 6 to 8 ply at least on the side, so I don't know much what else you could do for a tire except some decent ATs, you know. Alright, we're still gonna hook it up and try to get it out of here. Alright, here we go before. Well, you must be sitting on the leak because it stopped hissing. Oh no, he bent the exhaust too. It's not a flat tire, it's the exhaust bent. Okay. Alright, well, we misdiagnosed that. It's not a flat tire, it's a bent exhaust. But he's getting it all chained up now. There you go. There it goes. There goes the whole tree, guy. Like I said, that's pretty big. That works. Wow. And there's the whole tree. Well, that worked. I must say, that officially worked, guys. So.
It's just a bend. No big deal.
Remember how we thought there was a flat tire? No flat tire, just a bent muffler. That's all. No big deal.
I was wondering how I punctured the tire.
Right?
Take an awful
Lot to puncture those AT tires, right? Unhook it, and then he can chop this up into logs and some firewood. Good deal. Well, guys, this is not the end result, but this is like we're getting there, and this is the reason. Take one of these pieces of logs, cut it in half, and make some benches to go around the campfire. So, all right, as we keep going along, I'll show you how it's done.
Love it. Rustic. Love it.
Is it good? Is it puppy approved?
Springs Campground. This is Carl. How can I help you?